Looks like I put it on backwards. I got my dad helping me. Bag secured.
Hey, this shit wavy.
Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit hard because I gotta bring this and this. This is the spoiler that goes on the car. I'll be applying that as soon as I get to my dad's house. But this is the package that I gotta ship out. So I think I'm gonna have to go with this first. Well, I guess if I turn the camera off, I can make this happen. That worked exactly how I thought it would. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's head over. All right, we're looking for FedEx. Let's see if they're shipping internationally. And if they are, how much it's gonna cost in my pocket. After that, once I get that price, I don't get paid until Friday, which is also my birthday. I might have it on me right now to ship it off right now. Who knows? They gonna have to print the label. We gonna see how much it goes. Alright, y'all, so I'm in my dad's garage right now. I'm gonna get that nice little fresh fade. Don't even look too hard. Don't look too hard right now. But haircut coming soon. But yeah, let's check out this spoiler. It's super lightweight because this box is not that heavy, you know? I need some type of knife. Great thing about having a spoiler is it kind of balances out the car a little bit more. Ever since I ever had a car, I've always wanted a spoiler on my car. So we're finally here, adding a spoiler to my car. Now there's always the other option of buying a car that already has a spoiler. I would have definitely considered if I was in the market to buy a car. So this looks like the wing part. It got some nice bubble wrap on it. It feels so good. I screwed the ends on, the tips, tip 2, screw that on, and I'm guessing that there's a slider piece right here. Slides to adjust to your car, basically. Basically take these clamps that they have in the box here, clamp that to the edges of your trunk. So it's basically gripping the car like this. So that's basically what I bought on Amazon. And it's this nice silver color, which I think matches my car perfectly. How's that? So here's that box. So you take this piece here, screw that into your trunk, slides right on. This edge here must be straight. It can't be one of the cars that have a tilted edge like this. As your trunk, it has to be straight. Looks like we have 4 sets of these items here. Because I have not read the instructions yet, I don't know where these go. And then these pieces as well, which they look to be, oh no, there's some smaller ones in here as well. Okay, yeah. So you know what this means. Get the instructions! And then there's this one last bag here. This is a great car part. It'll probably sit on the car, something like this. Absolutely amazing product for anybody that wants a spoiler, but I'm not gonna say that too soon because I still haven't put it on the car yet, so let me jump right to that. Spoke too soon. There doesn't seem to be the tool that you need to tighten these bolts because I'm trying to use my own and mine is a little bit too big. We need something that's a little bit smaller, but they did not send that in the packaging. These are all things that you screw that, you screw that, you screw that. This is the box that had the actual piece thing. So you mean to tell me they sent me no instructions and they don't even include the tool that you need to actually put it on the car? You see that great review that I just left them? Now they're on my bad side. What is going on here? Now I have everything. I have everything I need, except the tools to actually put the thing together. Why wouldn't you put that in the package? This is from the perspective of a consumer. What? Now I can probably find the tools to put this thing together, and then these pieces, I can kind of guess where they go. It's hot in this garage and I had to bust out the fan. I also had to switch to iPhone because my camera was dying, but problem is solved. So basically I organized everything, and it looks like these slide onto here like so, and then this attaches in two areas, one that goes this way and the other will go at a higher level that's also connected to this piece right here, which we turn upside down, something like so. So if you can put all those pieces together, it would look something like this. Bada bing, bada boom. Flipped over, attaching to these that are attached to the rail. So here's the finished product, I guess. I kid you not, for some reason this package just didn't come with instructions. There's no instructions on it. Good thing I'm a pretty tech savvy, mechanic savvy, you know, kind of smart individual, just a little bit. Good thing I'm that. Okay, we getting somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tighten all of this up. It looks like I put it on backwards. I got my dad helping me, but you can definitely tell that this is backwards. Ha ha, laugh it up, we put it on backwards. We're looking for one of the nuts that fell, apparently, which is right here. I see it. Thank you very much. We're about to unscrew this, flip it around, and then I'll be calling it a day. I appreciate y'all for sticking with me. It's a long vlog. I'm trying to get this spoiler attached because look how sweet this car looks with a spoiler. I gotta throw that on there for the one time. This is the final thing. That looks good. Shout out to my dad. Thanks, Dad. This is clean. This is clean. And the color goes so well. This is like the exact color of my car. So mission accomplished. I downloaded the Chipotle app, so this is 10 times faster now. How does my car look? I think all I gotta do is walk in and grab my Chipotle. I forgot all about my mask. But this is a problem. How'd I forget about the mask? Bag secured. Alright, what's going on here? Yo, my stomach is empty. I just realized I don't think I ate today. I had 2 bananas and some water today. I didn't even make eggs. I said I was gonna make some eggs today and I got lazy. Can't forget my Snapple on the roof. Alright, it's the end of the vlog, y'all. This one was for y'all car folks. I like cars too. Maybe we can relate in that area. Catch you guys in the next video.